So I'm here for the holiday showing you my flank steak, Steak Buscatera recipe. So here's a picture of flank steak. Here are some of the items, and then below on the bottom picture is a golf course from a really high distance. Oh, I'm sorry, no, that's garlic. And so these are the ingredients in order to make flank Buscatera. So the first ingredient that you saw were sprigs off a tree. If you were looking, those are rosemary sprigs. And I cut those down finely. And I also took 8 cloves of garlic. That's what the golf course was.
So I'm gonna crush garlic here. So I've cut it into pieces, and then I'm gonna just go like that. I'm gonna use a knife to crunch down on it. Get the juices a-flowing. Cut it small, and then press it like that. Now you could use a garlic press, which is a great tool, and we have one. I just wanted to show you how to do it this way.
And what you need is balsamic vinegar, olive oil, and soy sauce.
You then combine all the ingredients, including the flank steak. You put them in a large plastic bag and you let soak in overnight for 24 hours preferably. You can do it for less. I like doing it the day before though.
But I've already kind of cleaned this a little bit. This is a well-used grill. And before I start, I clean it up every time, and then I'll put olive oil on it. Kind of clean the grates. Give it a kind of a more of a fresh start from where it was, whatever. Goes on nice and hot. I'm going to close this up, let it cook. Stay close to 400, that's good. I'm going to speed up the film, walk through. Looks pretty, huh? Well, it looks nice. But I'm going to be turning it over on this side, so I want some juices on this side. Then I'm going to turn it. And that'll look nice. Then I'm going to pour the rest of the juices on it. Then I'm going to close this sucker up. Alright. Take this off. Let it sit for 5 minutes. So now we brought it in. We're going to cover it with tin foil for about 5 minutes.
And now it's time to slice it up. 40-degree angle against the grains. The center should be rare. The end should be well done. Plate up with some accompaniments. We had some potatoes and some greens. And enjoy.